Hey everyone, it's Kay. We're going to continue on our topic of creating prompt guides. And I want to start over here. I had already started working on something, so I'm going to bring you up to date on where we are. And I started just with a new subject. So usually when I do that, I'll say something like, let's try a different subject and task. I want to create a prompt guide and need your help with it. If you don't know, I'm inside of ChatGPT version 4. I'm not in DALLE. The difference for me is when I'm doing a lot of requests for text information, then I'll typically work inside of ChatGPT 4, even though I know I'm going to get to images at some point. But right now, I'm just trying to craft the prompts that I want to use to create the images. So let's go a little bit further. And so I made that request asking ChatGPT version 4 to help me with creating a prompt guide. And the response I got back was absolutely, I'd be happy to help you create a prompt guide. A prompt guide can be a valuable tool for various applications such as writing, art creation, education, or even AI training. Could you please provide more details about the specific subject or area you want the prompt guide to focus on? For example, are you looking for prompts related to creative writing, visual art, specific themes or genres, educational topics, or something else? This information will help me tailor the prompts to your specific needs. So, well, if you scroll down some here, you'll see where I said, yes, today's theme is cats. I want to capture fun and playful images in a variety of scenes. I need your recommendation on the type of cat in the scene. Following this, we'll create the image. Thanks. And so then the response I got back was fantastic, focusing on cats. Here are several fun and playful scene ideas with different types of cats. You can use these as prompts for creating images. And so the first one I have here is Mischief in the Kitchen. That's cute. A curious Siamese cat playing with kitchen utensils on a sunny kitchen countertop with a background of potted herbs and hanging garlic. Let's see what this gives us. Sounds like a fun scene, so let's check it out. And basically, I've already explained to ChatGPT 4 what it is that I want to accomplish, so I don't have to be so specific in terms of create this or illustrate. I'm going right into the actual prompt that was provided to me by the tool itself. So we're going to enter that, and let's scroll on down further, and we'll see what it gives us. And I'm hoping that we'll have good success today. Sometimes the images are a little bit slow, but not tonight. So I'm very excited about that. So this is indeed a cute scene here. Have this curious cat just kind of checking out the kitchen. I don't know if I like the cat being close to the knives. So what I'm going to do is ask ChatGPT 4 if the knives can be removed. Other than that, I think it's a pretty cute image. So let's see. So here's what I've said. Thanks, this is very nice. However, the knives are not the best look I want for this scene. Please recreate and remove the knives. Thanks. Let's see what happens. Should give us another similar image, but without the knives in the scene. Okay, let's scroll down a little bit and see what we got here. Oh, this is better. Very much better. Seems like it still might be a knife there in the scene, at least one of the utensils there. But overall, I do like how the cat is handling the whisk. So I am going to, let's see. You know what? Let's try it one more time. I'm going to be very specific here. Okay, so I've said here, I like the scene very much. I like this scene very much. I forgot to say much. Hold on a second here. However, please recreate this and remove knives away from the cat. This will help make the image more adorable to not have the knives so close. Thanks. So we're going to send this request and see if it gives us a little bit safer looking image. Huh. It just isn't following my instruction too well here. Actually, it looks like the cat still has knives in the hand. I'm trying to think, what can I say? Even in the description here, it says, here's the recreated image of the curious Siamese cat in the kitchen with the knives removed or placed away from the cat for a safer, more adorable scene. I still see knives here. Sometimes Chat GPT 4 just doesn't get it exactly right. This looks like it's one of those times. And I'm going to try one more thing. Let's see. Let's see how this works. So I said, please recreate and show the cat handling vegetables instead. Let's see what this does for us. I like this much better. So we have the same cat here, same breed, and then we see vegetables in the scene. So I like this much better. I think it's real adorable. Let's take a close-up look. Yeah, I can work with that. I think that's a very cute image. And if you wanted to see the actual prompt, you could come over here to the far right and click on this symbol. It looks like an eye in the center of a circle, but it gives you the full prompt for this image. If you were ready to download it, you could hit the download button here. But in this case, I'm going to continue. Let's close that. And I'm going to go back up here and find another prompt that we can use. That was the very first one. Let's see if number 2 is something we might like. Garden Explorer, a fluffy Maine Coon cat in the middle of a colorful flower garden, sniffing at flowers and chasing butterflies. Now that sounds adorable. I'm going to go ahead and take this prompt and put it into our generator here and see what type of result we'll receive. So let's go ahead and test this and see. Let me scroll down, back down. Ooh, I like this. Very cute. I love colorful, playful, adorable images. So with this cat, I love how they're displaying the cat right in the middle of butterflies and flowers. I'm going to try something here. Again, I'm really just demonstrating what you can do with your images. If you are creating prompts and you want something a little bit different than what you're receiving from ChatGPT 4 or even DALLE, you can make a special request and get something a little bit different that better suits what you're looking for. So here I'm going to go ahead and say, please. Well, first I'm going to just give some confirmation here that the system is on the right track. So I'm going to say, this looks great. Please recreate and add more colorful and visible butterflies. I want to say add a few more. How about that instead of adding more? Okay, so I went back and I edited and I said recreate and add a few more colorful and visible butterflies. So I'm going to go ahead and create now. Oh, that's cute. Gives you a front view too. Okay, so I like that. I can work with either one of those actually. I think this is very cute. So let's go to the next prompt. We're continuing with cat prompts. So, and we're actually doing this to create a prompt guide all about cats and different cute images. So let's take the next one. And I'm going to go ahead and send the message and see what it generates for us. In fact, while I'm up here, I'm going to go ahead and copy the next one too, so that we're ready. Ooh, I like that. That one looks really nice. And it's showing the cat on the beach. Oh, I like that. And the prompt was beach adventure and adventurous Bengal cat exploring a sandy beach, pawing at seashells and watching waves with a lighthouse in the distance. I like this. And if you want something else, you can try. I don't know how you could improve this too much, but if you want to improve on it, let's say something like, please recreate with more vibrancy. Thanks. And let's see what it gives us. I actually could have asked for more green or blue-green water or something like that. Might have added a little bit of vibrancy. Ooh, okay. I kind of like the first one, I think, a little bit more. I said vibrancy. I think that kind of took it a little too far into adding color. So that's probably wasn't the right word, but this is cute too. But if I my personal choice, I just love the more natural look of the first one. So let's try another prompt here. Let's see. And so this one is Winter Wonderland, a playful Norwegian forest cat frolicking in the snow, trying to catch snowflakes and snow-covered trees. No, with snow-covered trees and a cozy cabin in the background. Ooh, I bet that's going to be cute. Ooh, that is nice. I like that. Okay, just cat out there playing in the snow. Paws covered with snow. Very, very cute image. I like that. I think that would work very well. And I'm going to go back up here and do one more. And then we'll just keep going in the order that we have here. Okay, this is the rooftop twilight. So let's grab this text prompt and we're going to take it down here and plug it in and make our request to generate the image, and we'll see what it gives us. And while they are generating the image, I want to look through here and just see if there's anything in here that I just really want to see. So trying to decide if I want to. You know what? I do see something here. I'm curious about this yoga partner. I would like to see what that looks like. So we'll try this one as well after we finish. Ooh, okay. So it says here is the AI generated image of an elegant Russian blue cat sitting on a city rooftop at twilight overlooking a skyline with twinkling lights. Ooh, and a full moon. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, let's try one more. I don't want to keep you too long. I just wanted to help you to see how you can actually start to create content to monetize it, whatever type of business you have. For me, I have a lot of digital products, so this is a great way to add to that. If you're doing something like this yourself and have a digital store, maybe on Etsy or some other platform, you can come in here and start to create AI images, which also you could create AI prompt guides that will help other people gain some confidence in creating images. That's what creating prompt guides are all about. Or if you wanted to resell, you wanted to sell your prompt guides and give other people resale rights to the work that you've done, you can do that as well. So this again is just to give you some ideas. I'm going to go ahead and hit the send button here and see what type of image is generated as a result of this prompt that we've just added. Okay, so this is another cute one here. It says this is the AI generated image of a relaxed rag doll cat stretching alongside a yoga mat in a peaceful home studio, complete with candles and a Zen garden. Okay, I like this. This is pretty cool. All of these have been cute images, but let's just test something here. Let's see what happens if we ask for it to be recreated as a 3D cartoon image. Let's see. So I said, this is great. However, I would like to see this image as a 3D cartoon image. Thanks. Ah, that's actually pretty cute. I'm trying to decide if I like it better than the original. Hmm, that's pretty nice. Yeah, I like this. It's ragdoll. So here is the more realistic image, and then here is the more cartoon animation image. And I don't know. I think I kind of sort of like the cartoon image more. But again, I wanted to just demonstrate how you can use ChatGPT 4 and start to build a business, start to sell digital products, and give you some ideas. And you can take this, all of these prompts that I've created here, if you wanted to. Again, this is to encourage you. If you can test the prompts that I have here, if you like, and see what you get as a result. But think about how can you monetize it? What can you do with this? You might want to go in a different direction. You might want to have a guide on cats doing something totally different from what I have here. I just kind of left mine broad and in general, but if you wanted to niche down and show cats in various water scenes, for example, you might want to do something like that, or you might want to say show groups of cats or different. varieties of cats, and just however you think is a great option as you figure out how you want to monetize AI art. Prompt guides are a great way and just one option of many. You might want to sell clip art. You might want to sell just the actual art itself as an original. As there are people who enjoy purchasing AI generated art. So that's just another option for you and something to think about. But this has been Kay White with Girls in Finance. So teaching not only finance, but also teaching AI and how you can monetize AI. And that's all that I have for you today. I will leave some links for you in the description so that you can um, just explore some of the other things that we have available as well. So that's it for now. Take care and have a good day. Good night.